What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jonesy 5.0. I'm sitting in my 2014 Mustang. I went ahead and I traded in my 2019 Scat pack, and went and got this Mustang, the 5.0. People are like, why would you downgrade from 2019 to 2014? Yada yada yada. I'm gonna put a picture right here of what my Scat pack looked like. It was probably one of my favorite cars I've ever had. I went from, you guys seen the Camaro, you guys have seen the Challenger that I had, and then after Challenger I went and had the Hellcat. That was like one of my last videos is when I had my Hellcat. I don't think I posted any videos of me and my Scat pack, but I did a lot to it. I should have recorded. I don't know why I keep getting these cars and then I do so much to it and then I don't record it, but this car is gonna be my new project car. I did it so I could save money, yada yada yada, because life throws stuff at you. So I got this 2014 Ford Mustang. I'm sure you guys seen the intro of what it looks like and things like that. So far all it has is a air raid cold air intake and an SLP exhaust. It has a short throw shifter. I think the clutch is stock. That's about all it's done to it. It has a GT 500 spoiler, I think is what it is. It has a rear deck lid delete. I have some KMC rims on it now. I just got those put on like 2 days ago. That's all I have done to it. Well, that's all. That's stuff that came with it. Besides the rims, those are the only thing that I added to it. But everything else is stock-ish. I got a lot of plans for this car, and I am going to record everything this time. I promise I'm going to record everything this time for this vehicle, because it's going to be a blast. I don't think I plan on doing too much performance mods to it besides like the basic headers and a cam. That's probably as far as I'll go for performance wise. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more from me, I might post some gaming stuff every once in a while, but most of my content will be car stuff. It won't be too my content will be super frequent because it takes time to pay for all these car parts and then get them put on and stuff like that. So you might see a video once a week, once every 2 weeks, once every 3 weeks, once a month. I don't know how it's gonna go, but I'm striving to get everything recorded. If I have something to record, I'm gonna turn my camera on and record it. But yeah, going on rambling too much. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you fuck with me, subscribe and stay tuned. Peace.